In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to images and text in your Shopify store. Making your Shopify site more interactive and easier to navigate can significantly enhance your customer's experience, and I'll guide you through these steps with ease. First things first, let's dive into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on it. A sub-menu will appear, offering you various sections like pages, blogs, and products. In today's tutorial, we're focusing on the Products page, but feel free to apply this method to any section you're interested in updating. Once you're on the Products page, the next step is pretty straightforward. You'll be presented with a text editor, and here, you want to locate the Insert Image icon. It's typically represented by a small picture icon within the editor's toolbar. Click on this icon, and a dialog box will appear where you can select the image you want to insert into your page. Choose your image and insert it right into the text editor. Now that your image sits proudly on the page, click on the image once to highlight it. This part is crucial because you'll now want to add an interactive element to your image, a link. Look for the link icon, which is symbolized by a chain link. Click on this icon and you'll be prompted to paste a URL. This URL will be the destination where your customers are directed when they click on your image. Once you've pasted the desired link, simply hit Insert Link and make sure to click Save to confirm all changes. With that, your image with a clickable link is ready. It's really that simple. Now let's move on to linking from text, which follows a very similar process. Begin by writing down the text you want to appear on your page. Once you have your text in place, highlight the portion of text you wish to turn into a link. Once again, locate the familiar link icon, the chain link symbol, and give it a click. Paste your chosen URL into the box that appears, and finally, click Insert Link. Don't forget to hit Save to ensure your changes are locked in. And just like that, you're all finished. You've successfully added both image and text links to your Shopify page. By following these simple steps, you've taken a solid step toward providing an enriched shopping experience on your site. It's all about making it easy for your customers to navigate and explore your products with just one click. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy selling!